In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to filter Udemy courses by language on desktop. By the end, you'll know exactly how to narrow your search so you only see courses taught in the language you prefer. Start by opening the Udemy homepage in your desktop browser. If you aren't already signed in, go ahead and log in. Being logged in helps keep your preferences consistent and ensures the results you see match your region and account settings. At the top of the page, you'll see the search bar. Type in a topic or keyword that describes what you want to learn, then press Enter. Be as specific as you can. For example, instead of just typing design, try graphic design for beginners or Python data analysis. Clear, focused keywords will give you more relevant results before you even apply filters. Once the results page loads, look to the left-hand side of the screen. You'll find a filters panel that appears only after search results are shown. If your browser window is very narrow, the panel may be collapsed or require a quick scroll to view. Make sure your window is wide enough so the panel is visible, then scan through the options there. Scroll down within that left panel until you find the language filter. It sits alongside other helpful filters like level, ratings, and duration. Sometimes the filter groups are collapsed for a cleaner view, so if you only see the heading, click it to expand. If there's a Show More link under Language, select it to reveal the full list of available languages related to your search. Now, click the language or languages you want. For example, choose English, Spanish, or French. You can select more than one if you're comfortable learning in multiple languages. As soon as you make your selection, the course list refreshes automatically to show only the courses that match those languages. If you change your mind, simply click a selected language again to toggle it off, and the results will update right away. As you browse, note that the language filter typically reflects the audio language the course is taught in. Many courses also offer subtitles in additional languages, which can be helpful, but the filter is designed to help you find courses where instruction matches your chosen language. That's all you need to do. Head to the Udemy homepage, search for your topic, open the filters on the left, scroll to language, and pick the languages you want to learn in. This quick filter can save you time and ensure your learning experience is comfortable and clear.